I used to start my day with a facial scrub, toner, avocado mask, serum, eye cream, moisturizer, all this in between life. We don't have to work so hard to bring our inner beauty out. TriPollar has invented a new multi-RF technology that enhances your body's natural processes. Your skin can revive and rejuvenate with warmth from within. The multi-band technology means using interchanging RF energy waves that affect the deep layers of your skin. This increases the natural production of collagen and elastin fibers. You can now give your skin a clearer and smoother appearance in shorter treatments. That is thanks to the unique new sensor that maintains the optimal and effective temperature throughout the treatment. Your skin is treated with even coverage with the new enhanced electrodes that are larger, smoother, and more efficient. The results are visible immediately, and each treatment gradually rebuilds the skin. This technology, based on years of experience in the beauty and the medical world, is now available in the comfort of your home. Your body is wise. Your body knows best. TriPollar STOP X.